Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Dodge Dart GTS with a 383 and a torque flight automatic transmission in this beautiful B5 blue. And this one looks like it probably was restored. I can't tell for sure, but it's awful nice inside and out. And the odometer shows like 2,000 some odd miles on it. So I'm guessing it was probably restored and then driven 2,000 miles since, or it's an original because these hood trim pieces, which I'm sure aren't reproduced, those have some pitting on them. So that would be my guess that it was a restored car some number of years ago, I would guess, and they had to reuse those trim pieces. But it's a beauty no matter how you slice it. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was showing off its stuff, and definitely caught your eye. That's for sure. It's parked right on the corner at the first spot, so you saw it. No matter which way you were going, it caught your eye with glistening in the sun, beautiful B5 blue paint. But the Dart was for '69. The big block ones, they didn't make too many of them. They made a total of 1,912 with the big block engine, and 1,128 were the 383 like this one. And out of that, 784 had the 4-speed, and 488 had the torque flight automatic, which is what this guy is. So he's one of 488 made with the 383 and the torque flight. The other 640 of that 1912, those were converted to 440 cars by Hearst, and those all had the automatic. Hearst had it done after Mr. Norm showed him how to do it on the 1968 440 cars that they made. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Dodge Dart GTS with a 383 and a torque flight automatic, one of 488 made. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.